Okay, you guys, look. It's snowing. And it's cold. And I don't know how long I am going to stay here. I might have to pack up. All that firewood, and I can't even make a fire because it's too damn cold. Look at my carpet out there. It's so full, getting full of snow. Look at that. I only got a quarter tank of propane left. So I don't know. I'm thinking I might have to get cold to go out there and pack that crap up. It's coming down hard. Look at that. I'm in the bedroom. Got the heater on. Set it at 60. Tinkerbell's shivering. Look at that. Arizona, you guys. This is Arizona. Arizona mountains. I'm 8,000 feet up above sea level. Wow. I don't know if I dare to go or if I dare to stay. I'm not sure. If I had more propane, I wouldn't worry about staying. I might have to turn the refrigerator off. Put stuff in the cooler. Look at that. It's really coming down. Kind of scary. A little scary. My rug is just, the wind's blowing it. The wind makes it even colder. It's more like hail. Looks more like hail. I don't know. It says it's 41 degrees on the weather thing, but it's not. Obviously. It says it's supposed to do this till 5 o'clock. I don't know. Thinking I might have to try to sit it out. So I'm afraid it's already going to be slick out on the roads. Have brand new tires, but I don't know. Wow. It's really coming down. I mean, it's coming down hard. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys, and I'll check in with you and let you know what I'm doing. Peace.